I get a phone call from my IT guy saying there's been a breach. The whole server was encrypted with .evl files, so they were all useless to us. We couldn't ship, we couldn't use UPS, we couldn't go to our database. We were helpless. There was nothing we could do. Email, totally paralyzed.
So when I got the call, within a few minutes of the attack, I tried to give them, don't worry, we got insurance. And there's a special cyber channel to submit the insurance claim. And with that process there, they pretty much take over.
It was huge, them knowing who to call. They had specialty IT people who knew how to negotiate with the attackers. They had a law firm that was specialized in this kind of work. We didn't have to go looking for people of what to do next. And I have heard more on the news and about people getting hit, municipalities, electric companies, small businesses. And I thought better safe than sorry, and it's a good thing that we did.
It's very surprising how quickly it goes up. The damages are really fast, way more than you think. I spoke with a lot of people and a lot of small business guys like myself, and they were like, oh, I'm gonna update my backup, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna make sure this doesn't happen to us. There's still a rebuilding process after the attack. You can say, hey, we were attacked and now we're gonna rebuild. Well, those 15 employees are standing around like this while you're rebuilding the server so they can do their jobs. That's a loss. That's a real loss. The gem of having the coverage is that you can recoup that lost labor force hours, etc., because you're covered. We don't do much business with credit cards. And when you pierce that veil, there's a whole another door and window that opens up for coverage and legal exposure. So, because all these folk can actually hold you responsible for their identity fraud.
Yeah.
And that's overwhelming. Most companies are out of business 2 years after the attack. Folks like us would be out of business. And I could really visualize that. I mean, with how scary it was those first days. But we really got a comfort by having the coverage. I mean, I can't say enough about that.
We're seeing the shift now going more towards the listening and reevaluating their cyber protection.
I think it touches more people too.
Yeah.
I mean, once we got hit and I explained, like I remember telling one customer, I'm sorry, I'm not getting the emails that, we've been, and he goes, oh, we got attacked, a year ago and I understand what you're going through. And
yeah, we're finding now that there's more than just the big players in the insurance industry that provide it. It's more, you're seeing it at different levels now and with different protection plans.
You got to empower the people that you use in business, and you can't control everything. You have to trust people and make decisions to go on with your business day. You can't be troubled by these things. If it makes sense, you have to decide and go.